Max is very sad. By now, everyone knows about more than usual rainfall in Bangalore. Other than watching from the balcony, there is very little that he can also do. Max, what are you watching? Well, Max seems to be focused on what he thinks is his sole duty. That is, checking all the incomings, and any suspicious person or thing in his view will give him the opportunity to show his skills at barking. Hope you have enjoyed this video. We are not able to create any long one during this week of rainfall. Have a wonderful weekend, everyone.